One of the great things that we've seen with putting this structure in a central environment is it's not just isolating information and data at the plants. My current role within SAP is I'm part of the line of business manufacturing solution management team. When you look at resiliency and risk management across the supply chain, you're really looking across multiple different points of failure with different methods that they'll often fail or can frequently fail. The most important part of that isn't just about preventing these things from occurring because ultimately something will happen. It's really about the response. How do you manage a coordinated response when something does happen? And how do you keep everyone on the same page of changing needs, changing demands, changing flows within the system in order to ensure that you're getting the most out of it? 2023 is going to be a great year. We're really looking forward to a lot of very innovative things coming out in our cloud environment, but also in the way that our customers are using and talking about our cloud. But there's more to it than that, because at the top, what it's worth for the business.